हेलो फ्रेंड्स। दोस्तों, अक्सर मैं इस तरह के कमेंट्स देखता हूँ अपने वीडियो पर, जहाँ पर आप लोग पूछते हैं कि सर हम इंग्लिश को इम्प्रूव कैसे कर सकते हैं या फिर इंग्लिश बोलना कैसे सीख सकते हैं। सो टुडे व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू, आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट ऑल दैट. I have been getting such comments for a very long time, so I thought that I should make a small video and where we can talk about how to speak in English or how can we improve our English speaking skills. So guys, the first tip which I would like to share with you is that if you really want to improve your communication skills, or if you really want to speak in English, or if you want to become a fluent speaker, then you should start reading English books or newspaper, English novel, whatever things available to you. And when you read this English newspaper or book, try to read that loudly, because when you read English newspaper or book, what will happen, it will definitely improve your pronunciation, your clarity, plus it will improve your confidence also. And after some time you will realize that when you speak in English, you will feel more comfortable, you will be more good in clarity, in terms of clarity, plus you will also feel that you have improved your communication skills. So start this activity from today, and whenever you are reading this, always keep that in mind that you have to read that English book or newspaper loudly, because when you read it loudly, then only it will give you benefit, otherwise it won't give you any benefit. Apart from this, you can do some other activities also. For example, that suppose when you think something, as a human being we all keep thinking, so just try to think that in English and try to make sentences in your mind only. And what will happen, that slowly you will feel comfortable in those sentences, and when you talk to someone in English, you will feel more comfortable, you will be more confident. And you can do one more practice: just stand in front of a mirror and try to talk to yourself, because what will happen when you talk to yourself and there is no one else, you will not be nervous, you will not feel demotivated, you will be more comfortable with yourself because no one is looking at you. So try doing this practice, it will definitely improve your confidence, and apart from this, it will also improve your communication skills. And apart from this, guys, you can do more thing, like you can just do some grammar practice at home. And when you do these type of small things, these small things will definitely give you more benefit in long run. So guys, these are the things which I just wanted to share with you for the English. Thank you so much for listening, and have a nice day, and bye.